So here, what the boy doing here? Buckle. Okay, what the boy do here? Knock at door. What the man do here? Dig and Dale. And what the boy do here? Lay them straight. Okay, this woman is fat. Okay, and what is this? This is a plate. Okay, and this is the, what is this?
Bird.
Yeah, what is this? This is the spoon. And this is the fork. Okay, this is, she's a maid. What room is this? Is this a bedroom?
No.
What room is this? Is this a bedroom?
No.
Is this a bathroom?
No.
This is the kitchen. Okay, and this is the stick. What is this? It's a hand, and this is the fox. Okay, here the water, no more, nothing in the. It is a pot. Nothing in the pot. Okay, and this is full, empty, full, empty, full, empty, full, empty. Okay, and what is this? And this is the, what is this? This is the,
No.
that's on. Mommy open the, this is the, no, not the door, this is the gate. High five.
This is the door.
Yeah, the door here and the gate over there. Okay. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, 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 knock. Lay them straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lay them up. Pick them. Stay. 7, 8. 8, 9, 10. Yeah, a big fat hand. A big fat hand. Okay, so can you look at this picture? Okay, and can you spot the differences between these two pictures? The first picture, you can see here, there is the bird in the picture. Here, there is a bird in this picture, but okay, there are 2 birds here. This is only 1 bird, but there are two birds in another picture. Okay, the man in this picture is wear belt. Okay, but the man in this picture doesn't wear belt. Okay, the curtain of this picture is blue, and the curtain of this picture is red. Okay, the bird in this picture turn to the left. Yeah, 2 birds turn to the left, and this bird, 1 bird is turned to the right. Achoo! 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can count with me.